What's up? This is MC. Sa videong to, ang tatalakayin natin ay kung paano mag-convert from mixed numbers to improper fractions. So kung hindi nyo alam, ito ay bahagi ng series na Elementary Mathematics. At sa previous video, ang naging topic naman ay conversion from improper to mixed number. So kabaligtaran ang tatalakayin natin sa videong to. Though madali lang rin naman yung prosesong yon, pero ang prosesong to ay talagang sobrang dali. Dahil meron lang tong tatlong bahagi. Multiply, add, and copy. Ang pagko-convert from mixed numbers to improper fractions ay napakahalagang skill dahil kakailanganin yan sa pag-add, subtract, multiply, at divide ng mga mixed numbers. Maging sa mga topic sa algebra, sobrang kailangan talaga. Kaya dapat ma-master natin tong skill na to. So let's have our first example, 3 and 1/2. Ito ay equivalent sa isang improper fraction. Ano ba yung tinutukoy doon ng multiply at ng add? Unahin natin yung multiply. Basically, ang i-multiply ay yung counting number at yung denominator. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then, doon napapasok yung addition. After multiplying these two numbers, i-add natin yung numerator doon sa result. Again, ang result ng multiplication ay 6 plus 1, which is yung numerator, that would give us 7. And that would be the numerator of the improper fraction. Then, yung last step na copy, ibig sabihin nun ay kokopyahin natin yung denominator ng given mixed number, which is 2, at yun yung magiging denominator ng ating improper fraction. Basically, ang 3 and 1/2 ay equal sa 7 halves. Again, multiply and add, then copy. Kung nahirapang sundan yon, meron pa naman tayong 4 na examples. 5 and 3/7. So basically, equivalent sa isang improper fraction. Again, ang unang step natin, multiply. I-multiply si counting number 5 kay denominator na 7. Ang product nila, 35. Next ay i-add yung numerator, which is in this case, 3. So 35 plus 3, that would give us 38. And that would be the numerator of the improper fraction. Then finally, kokopyahin lang natin yung denominator, which is 7, and that would also be the denominator of the improper fraction. 5 and 3/7 is equal to 38/7. Next example. 1 and 7/10, or 1 and 7/10. Again, equivalent sa isang improper fraction. Para makuha yung numerator, multiply muna si counting number, which is 1, at si denominator, which is 10. So 1 times 10, 10. The next ay i-add natin si numerator doon sa product. So 10 plus 7, that would give us 17. And that would be the numerator of the improper fraction. Then finally, copy the denominator, 10. So I think kapag na-master nyo to, kakailanganin nyo lang siguro ng 5 segundo. Kung talagang sanay tayo mag-multiply at mag-add, talagang siguro mapapabilis pa natin yung 5 segundo. Kasi basically, multiplication, addition, at pagkokopya lang naman ng denominator yung ginagawa natin. Next example. 4 and 11/13. Again, multiplication muna, 4 times 13. So medyo tumataas na yung numbers natin. 4 times 13 is basically 52, plus the numerator 11, that would give us 63. Then finally, copy the denominator, 13. 4 and 11/13 is equal to 63/13. Final example, we have 20 and 1/5, that should be equal to a certain improper fraction. Again, una, multiply si counting number at si denominator, which are 20 and 5 respectively. So 20 times 5, 100. Then add the numerator, which is in this case 1. 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. That would be the numerator, and then copy the denominator, 5. 20 and 1/5 is equal to 101/5. So para malaman kung na-master nyo talaga tong skill na to at para na rin sa mas marami pang exercises, kindly access the link in the description below or the QR code that is now presented on the screen. Again, this is MC, always saying, think more often. Thanks for watching and see you on my other videos. Bye-bye.